Here comes trouble. Go on, Lynn. Give it a wiggle. Super. Yes, go for it. Come on, you're on 42. Yeah, 43. Well done. 43 plus a couple of tens. Now we've got Mr. Young. And a start. This is a really nice bit. She looks good and she can work. Go. I was counting, honest. Steady. Look at the control and the contacts. That was good. Through the tunnel. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Ah, 5 seconds added, Mr. Young. Watch this bitch on the weaves. She is really nice, really fast on the weaves. Steady, good control. Zoom, 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 zoom. Yeah, go. Lovely. Oh, yeah. That was the fastest time, 34, but it was 10 seconds with 2 poles added. Sorry, I'm not letting you away with that, boy. Lift your feet. Are we ready? Steady, go. Time starts at the tyre. Go on, Janet, you're working well. Try the table. I didn't have 4, 3, 2, go. Just start yourself. I didn't used to stutter, but this folk on the table makes me do it. There you go, tunnel, go on, take your time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, there's 5. Go for it. Good, Janet. Steady control, good contact, yes. Watch this weave, this is really nice. Oh, it was. Yeah. And go on. 42. Plus several other 5s on.
Oh, several.
Now here we are, Lee with fly. Are we ready? Ready, steady, go when you're ready. She's called Fly for a